do with the feminine energy. There it goes, saying that message. Your room on your phone is run. Oh, shut the F up. Get on my nerves playing on my damn phone like that. Pew! Perfect aim. Joe got flame. Out of bubbles my ass. Out of bubble. No. But it has a lot to restoring your gift. They're trying to hit a reset button that's not gonna fucking work for one. Is fuck. Did it again. It's done data for that. Absolutely. Why would you give me a red? I'm nowhere near. Oh, I would have if that would have went through. Got it. Oh, I should have did that one, then that one. Oh well. Pew. Thought it was gonna go straight through. Using the imagination because the imagination is a strong thing, which is why they do the programming from when we're little to when we're older. That is why. Fuck you. Dude. Oh, and it was blue, bitch. No. Oh. Yeah, that's definitely a do-over. Um, the imagination is strong. The imagination really is feminine energy. It comes from the right side of the brain, which you are taught to be logical, which is the left side of the brain. Very, 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 very effing logical, which cuts us off. Really, it distorts you from God. So, really, when you're in a more masculine energy, it's more, you know what I'm saying? It's more demonic. It's more low vibrational. So you have to get in touch with your feminine energy and balance that out. I wish I could switch it. All my friends are demons, take it slow. Ah, perfect. Ha ha. I got it. I done it. Oh, and I still was one ball short because I effed it up. But anyways, and you know what? This is what I want to talk about too. Is the way you level up, level up, level up, level up, level up. Oh, you son of a bitch. You can never truly just, you know what I mean? The worst thing you could do is just like not try it all. Like with learning, with me playing games, once I learned like Doesn't matter how much how they subliminally say, fail. You failed this level. Da, da, da. They want to make you feel some type of way because when they put you in that state of mind, you feel that what that game says matter more than what you know about yourself. Ultimately, that exists in all things. So the point of that is you can never truly epically feel unless you give up. Because you got minty, 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 minty your lives. You fucking bitch. Oh, I do the same thing 2 times. At the same damn time. You motherfucker. How are you automatically doing that and I didn't do it? Ah! So this life is funny. Extra funny with the extra ha ha on the side. You mother Fletcher. Mm. Don't matter because that's it. This time it's green. Oh, I got it this time. I had one more ball left. I thought that was it. See? But once you get over the fact that you have like infinite lives, and all you really need to do is like save for a rainy day. It all depends too, because sometimes, man, look, your spiritual rainy days, like you want to save up for. How do you save up for spiritual rainy days? See, the old message keep popping up. Fuck y'all, get off my phone. You do good things, with good intentions. You know, God is not never on vacation, and it's a really awesome thing. Because somehow, some freaking way, people be thinking they don't get. Yeah, the motherfuckers. Oh, I know what they was doing. Some bitches. These motherfuckers, they be doing too much. But, doing the most. Um, I look at games like that, and have just that changed a lot for me. It's a lot like as well accepting a no until you get that yes, because a yes is gonna come from God, and it's gonna be right on time. Hold on, one more game. Come on, buddy, show. Okay, turn that up just a little bit long, little bit more. I'm getting sleepy like a badass kid fighting sleep. I hope but didn't show because I'm still gonna post this video. But oh my gosh, you just gotta keep on. It's like don't let fear get the best of you. Cause I know what they were trying to do, like for real now. Like they just try to put me in a fucked up state of mind to where I would just like freeze and not do shit that I was supposed to go through. Um, so I delayed, yeah, my own happiness, and ultimately that is what their goal is. This one's a bit more harder. Perfect. Um, oh fuck you, son of a bitch. Wish I could switch. Can you switch? Oh, you can switch them. See, I was scared to hit it because I was like, yeah, I'm gonna lose it. But I did. See, you can't be scared to try a little bit. You never know what you switch, and that'll make a whole lot of difference. Um, they just want you to be scared. Like, boy, I tell you, I don't understand, but I just understand one thing. These motherfucking demons in bodies, yo, even if they not in the body, they is trying hard. Hard. Hard is F. They is trying real hard. Okay? And they ain't trying to they ain't trying to stop. They want to see you epically fail, give up, all of the above. I mean, in a world of logic, Lord Jesus, help, help, help me and help those that are like me. Because it's like, damn, you can't be too deaf, dumb, and fucking retarded enough for these motherfuckers. Or you just, bitch, it's not just two categories. Or three at that. The fuck? Like, they don't, they have no fucking chill. They have no fucking chill. And it's just like, the forgiveness. Where is the fucking forgiveness? You know what I mean? I can't wait to be, you know, my own boss. Not just my own boss, but, you know, be able to make a difference in somebody's life and wanting to make that difference, not just wanting to be fucking controlling over somebody's shit. You know, I really want to help somebody be productive in the best way that they can. Like, what's the point of being? Because ultimately, if you're not like a real boss, you're just a fucking bully. Like, real shit. If you ain't come here to make no motherfucking major changes and fucking, you gotta have a whole team set up. Like, I don't, I understand people don't understand, but like, yeah, you already do understand to a certain aspect. So, the other option is for me to understand that you just don't give a fuck. Yes, thank you. Do that. I don't know why my silly ass did that. Oops. I got it anyway. Got it anyway. I got $1. I got $1. Um, that's all I'm understanding because these people cannot possibly have a motherfucking heart. They can't. I find it very fucking far and few in the fucking tween that there's people with actual fucking hearts. What the hell? I just see something on my face. Ooh, so living, a 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 living. And I know I seen it was what 911 last week. I was like, oh shit, Archangel Michael. Oh shit, I just put something together, and it had to do with 9/11 and Aaliyah, daughter of the Most High. Ooh. Right in between those cheeks. It didn't make it. Ah! But anyways, that's crazy. Well, they will be definitely finding of all the outs and whatever else they manifested. Shit. I beg to differ. I will beg to differ. I really would. Perfect. Mm. So, what is the point of what the fuck are they doing? The thing is, they just want to they want to fucking do a cycle of fucking insanity. Like that to me, they don't want to evolve. They ask for fucking help, and then you shoot the help. What the fuck? Don't get me wrong, I've made mistakes and I've shot the help, but damn, after you realize that shit, it's like, hell, to just stop doing it. You start changing within. You're like, oh, I'm fucked up. I apologize and be sincere about it. And really keep working on it. Shit, take it, write down, take a picture. I don't give a fuck. Do something. Because it's not easy. This shit ain't easy. Motherfuckers want to make it look easy. You don't look stressed out. You know, we get into it. That's good. Good. Good that I don't look stressed out. I want to say another fucking thing. They say by the yellowing of the eyes, like either you were addict or you got some kind of disease. And there's like more than one that you can have of the yellowing of the eyes, right? Jaundice as well. So this lady sent me this lady sent me to somewhere and I'm like, okay, what the fuck is that? Like, bitch, I'm looking for a job. So somebody gonna laugh. I don't give a fuck. You can laugh all you want to, cause shit, you know what I'm saying? I was offended when I got there, and it was like a rehab place. Bitch, I'm sober than a motherfucker for one. Sober. Couldn't possibly be couldn't possibly be any more sober at this point. Could I possibly be sober? Hell no, because any herbs I eat is gonna get me high where I need to be. And that's on a higher elevation just to see the bullshit from a mile away. So, ooh, 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 ooh. Booyah. Boo, 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 booyah. So, anyways, it's going to elevate me to where my powers are, stronger. That's the kind of how I'm going to be on if I eat some vegetables and herbs and shit like that. That's the type of how I want. That's the type of how I want to stay and continue to be in. Not any other type of how. You know what I'm saying? I give the helpful, youthful advice of, you know what I mean? Eating vegetables will help heal your body and your mind. You know what I mean? A lot of people walk around angry than motherfucker. They wonder why they angry. It's just like, change your diet. It's really simple. It's a really simple factor as to why you are so fucking angry and pissed and irritated most of the time. Mm. And people they don't get it unless they want to hear it. Can't force it. I mean, you can, but it's like beating a dead horse. Doom, 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 doom. Pew. Perfect. So, yeah, it's just like one of those things. I think I was just talking to somebody else about that a few days ago. Like, excuse me. Like, how older generations, how they were taught and beat into their freaking head that it's only one way. You know, you would think there's only one way. That's just like experiments that they do with animals. I swear, I knew it was gonna go straight through when I didn't need it to. This game be cheating. Nope. Switch your Looney Dooney. Okay. And you over there? But anyways, our older generation, boy, they be really, they can't help what they know. And I was talking a bit about that in my video that I got to post. Find out how to post that. Our parents and they did the best they could, but a lot of them like, damn, do your research, try it, you might fucking like it. Like sometimes it just gets to that point, you know. Don't I know why you know for vegans we understand why most people they be just fucking hella fucking angry and agitated, irritated, and stuff like that. You know, trust me, I be there sometimes, but it's because of fucking like little shit that just keep on happening. It's like, why the fuck? We be like, man, come on now, like, you damn demon, why don't you quit trying me? They demons gonna try, but you know, other people just you know, you get highly irritated and fucking pissed off. Just you know, the simplest things. They don't understand how changing their diet could help them manage their anger a lot, way more easily. It would help extremely to their benefit. They have no idea. Um, Shit, people try to call me angry right now. I be like, bitch, shit. You know what I mean? Nigga would know when I'm angry. I'm quiet as shit. I keep to myself, and I do that anyways, but you're gonna, the vibe will be different. It would definitely be different. The vibe will be different. There'll be the look on my face will tell it all. If looks could fucking kill. And typically, I will not look at you if I'm real fucking that pissed. If I'm that mad, I won't look at nobody. Because I used to get told a lot, and I understand why. For real now, that if looks could kill, people would be dead. And Lord, you know, just don't look at nobody. Fuck it. I'll switch. There we go. There we go. There we go. Shake it off. So I won't look at nobody. I just, not today, cuz. I got time today, cuz. I won't be saying that. I'll be like, I ain't got time today, cuz. Like, not today. And it'll be that fucking simple. I do not want to, you know, put myself or anybody else in any type of predicament that is not productive for both of us. Oh, shut up. Some things just make me wonder. And I'm sitting up, but you know what I mean? And I'm like really angry. I'm either analyzing the fuck out of something and I'm putting some shit together and it's pissing me off even more. Because that's usually typically what happens when, you know, I'm all yay and cheerful and all right, teamwork. Let's go to work. Teamwork. And then there's a group of mad fucking scientists ass pitchfork having ass motherfuckers with fucking voodoo dolls and fucking all kind of other fucking bullshit of black magic behind me, unbeknownst to me. Um, Shit, I was the motherfucking entree, the goddamn side tray, and the encore fucking meal looking ass. And then when I figure out, I'm pissed off, and I'm just sitting up there like, no, not today. I don't even want to be here anymore. And fucking good luck with your karma. And that's typically the way it happens. And Might cry about it later. Definitely a possibility. But ultimately, I really wish that people just would not be fucking idiots. Beings would not be idiots because you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, we are just in the human body, but these motherfuckers is actually walking around their bodies. And they bodying people. Body to body. Ooh. I'm just like, ooh. But I'm starting to see a pattern. Like, you'll start to see a pattern. Like, you'll be like, what the? What the fuck is going on between the realms in my universe? uh, shit, the fuck? Man, ain't no fucking explaining that there at point. Shit, the fuck? God, they're trying me again. Please come handle my lightweight. It's not so much handling your lightweight, it's just handling something that God should, you should just give to God. So ultimately, that's what I have to do. I have to give it to God. And I'll be like, man, God already seen it. God was just waiting to see if you was just going to give it to God and just sit back and enjoy the show. Because our show be like, this is some crazy bullshit. Like, these motherfuckers is really trying me and doing this shit. And they knowing damn well. Boy, look. Boy, look. I'll just be like, ooh, wait. You ever seen Carrie? I just say, Lord have mercy. That's what the shit, God be fucking people up. And I just be like, when God fucked me up and I'm in the midst of shit, I'm like, damn, what the fuck is going on? What the hell am I missing? Boy, I was get to being, to myself real quick. I'm missing something. Let me take a step back.